Welcome in Ohouse. My name is Dominique, and this is my home. So I am in a master's program right now, becoming an elementary school teacher. I like candle making, baking, reading, listening to music, or doing art. The list can go on and on. I have lived in San Francisco for 5 years now, ever since I moved out here from San Jose to start my undergrad. My main focus for choosing an apartment was that it was near a lot of things to do. I grew up in a suburb neighborhood where it always required a car to get anywhere, and I really like the idea of walking out of my door, down the steps, and having a street full of fun things to do. I don't know if I have a set design style. I kind of just pick up pieces that I resonate with. I enjoy color. I knew that when I would have my own apartment, I wanted it to be colorful, I wanted it to be bright. That's kind of how I pick out all of my pieces. Art can be really expensive. So if you can make your own art, just go pick up some crayons, some markers. It's always super cheap. The nice thing about doing DIY things is you have full control. I'm really thankful for the natural lighting that I have. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy day like this one, I feel comfortable and at home no matter what. Home means to me comfort, personality, and safety.